So these are called recaps. So when you create, like different bodies, like means styles, what happens is like you would like fit your samples, and when the fit is all good and revision is made, you would make showroom salesman sample. That's something that your showroom counterparts, those partner can sell them, like get the booked order from retail. So like like you would make usually like 5 pieces, 6 pieces, 3 pieces, depend on how many showroom that you have across the USA, like locations. So after you design things, you would like put it on these sheets to make sure you assign all these names and style numbers so that you can easily track later. You can put like a Pantone number like here so that the manufacturer knows these are like what kind of publications that things are made with and designed. These are Iris fabric, there's Pantone numbers there, and then the vendor's name. There's like few factory that you can send depending on your need and niche. So these are like some of like recaps that I have, like different like color and styles, print. So these are like bird eye view of like what kind of style that you made in what kind of fabric. So when you have like merchandising meeting with like a marketing head and stuff, you can easily explain like what kind of like collection that you are creating, and fabrics and color, everything is kind of there in a all in the one view, so it's easy to see things like this way. And these are like the tech packs. So tech packs like consist of like different parts, but there's like all these finishing, what kind of way that you want it to finish, like the edge, like the band, or turn back single needle stitches, or do you want it to leave it at low edge? So if it's like garment dye, low edge would turn out very beautifully because after a certain wash, like the edges would look like very worn in, like a natural look, or like the scallop edge with embroidery. Depending on the technical capability, things are limited what you can do and what you can't do. But these are as much as information you wanted to give in your design tech pack for the factories. Like some picture will be helpful, and these are spec sheets where you're measuring. If you're measuring neck opening, you need to make sure neck opening is from seam to seam or like edge to edge, things like that. Like if you have a belt, how long is this belt and what are the width of this belt, things like that. And these required specs are here too, so that you can kind of like see like where the armholes, bicep, all these specifications the factory needs to make your samples. So I created digital course of fashion design for you guys, so you can take like on your pace like the digital course, or I take one-on-one consultation as well, so you can reach me out via DM and ask me any question that you have in fashion design, and I can also introduce you to my factory in India and China, and we can like start your designs.